It's time for an all-new Kansas City Spotlight.
With so much going on right now in and around our lives, we sometimes forget to check in with our mental health and well-being. And here to help assist us with that is the Director of Clinical Services for ComCare, Michelle Watson. Michelle, good morning.
Good morning, Mitch. How are you?
Good. Okay, so let's talk about what is ComCare.
Well, ComCare is a behavioral health resource that people can contact in our community. It's a free resource that's available 24/7. We operate a 24-hour mental health crisis line where people can call. They could be calling for themselves, they can call for loved ones, and they can get connected to viable resources in the community that's going to help them whatever their need may be.
Okay, so let's talk about that. What are some of the services?
Well, some of the services that we help people get connected with is information about where can they go in their community to get mental health treatment or substance use treatment. We give people information about if they need rental assistance or if they need help with knowing where to go to get food. So any type of basic need, behavioral health need, we're going to get them connected to someone that can help.
Got it. Okay, so how can people help and assist ComCare?
Well, of course, we are a non-profit organization, so we do have a website where people can go and donate to. We are always looking for volunteers, people that maybe they want to give time back to people in the community. So we are launching a volunteer program that we're excited about, and that's one way that people can give back and help those in need.
Got it. Okay, so you mentioned earlier this is 24/7, so people can call this hotline any time of the day.
Anytime. They're going to be able to get connected to a licensed mental health counselor or provider that's going to be able to, one, listen to their problems, see what's going on, and then be able to let them know this is the next step where they can go to get help.
Okay, so some people might be wondering, if I call this number, how confidential is it?
It is completely confidential. Now, we do let people know if there's ever any concerns about child abuse or elderly abuse or neglect, child neglect, if there's concerns that they may be a danger to themselves or others and they're going to act on that, then we have to notify the appropriate authorities. But other than that, it's completely confidential.
Okay, so the time we're living through a pandemic right now, I'm sure you guys are getting a lot of calls about that.
Yes, we have people that are calling about that, and as the pandemic goes on, people are calling about how do we get our basic needs met? Where can we go? I'm in this crisis, or I've been in this crisis mode now. The community is opening back up. Where can I go for that next step for help? And that's what ComCare is there for, to help guide people to that next step of help.
Okay, how can people get more information?
They can always call our 24/7 helpline. They can always visit our First Step for Help website. Those are avenues that they can contact or go about to get information about ComCare.
Okay, Michelle, thank you so much.
This Kansas City Spotlight is sponsored by ComCare.